Hi everyone and welcome back to another macro episode. It's been ages since I last took some macro shots and I can't wait to take advantage of the weather. It's beautiful here in Melbourne. Spring has finally sprung. Wildlife has really returned to the wetland area. There's so many birds, parrots, noisy miners and other native bird species, quite raucous at the moment. I'll be shooting everything with my Canon R7, the Laowa 90mm ultra macro lens, and I also have the NiSi 49mm close-up lens attached. For lighting I'm using the 600 EX2 RT speed light, and I also have my usual reflector diffuser kit. If you want to learn more about my gear, you will find all the relevant links and reviews in the description. Anyway, let's get started. I have found the first subject, a super tiny orb-weaver, most likely a confident spider, which is just resting on this twig. I'm going to try and capture it by holding it relatively still and then just shielding the subject from direct sunlight. Oops, that's good. It's moving around quite a bit. Let's try it from another angle. There's also a dead wasp that I spotted right on the ground. Let's try and capture it from really close. The eyes, the compound eyes. I'm also going to capture it at a lower magnification. The breeze is moving it quite a bit, so I've got to be careful. I have found two spider species on this dead sapling, on these dead leaves, and I'm going to try and capture them. One is a jumping spider and the other one is a rather venomous sac spider, I think. It's just building its sac retreat. I'm going to be careful. I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to take it at the full magnification. Unfortunately, this turned away, but I can still see it. It's hiding now. I can only see the abdomen. Hopefully it's going to turn around, or... Oh, there's the jumping spider here. Let's try and capture that instead. Cutie, really beautiful, gorgeous colors. There are usually a lot of thrips on these dead leaves. There's one crawling just right there. Let's try and capture it. Such an interesting species. They really are fascinating. It's moving around a fair bit. I think this specimen has excreted something. You can see it right on its tail. Wow, interesting. All right, let's move to another spot and just explore. Maybe down here, closer to the water. I have spotted some plant hopper or leaf hopper on here and try to take a high magnification shot, which is quite difficult. Keep bumping into it. We've got a magpie here who thinks she's gonna be fed. I don't have anything, darling. I got nothing on me. I'm taking macros, look. Bye-bye. Silly one. So cute. They know me quite well. We've got another very small subject on this blade of grass. It's gonna be quite difficult to capture it because of the light breeze, but I'm gonna do my best. These might be actually aphids. I think I was wrong. These are not leaf hoppers. There is a instar here. There's a cute little jumping spider right here. Oh my god, she's adorable. Oh, so cute. Really happy with these last 3 shots of this beautiful little female garden jumping spider. Let's move around a bit. I really love these wattle trees. They are in full bloom now. This smells so nice. I absolutely love coming back to this location. Even though I've been here at least 100 times, I always tend to find something new, something unique that I had not seen before. And I recommend you do the same. Go back to your favorite spot and re-explore over and over again, and you will find amazing subjects, I'm sure. I have found a beautiful crab spider, a green crab spider resting on this leaf, eucalyptus leaf, and unzoomed out quite a bit, trying to capture the whole specimen in one frame. Gorgeous. I had to lower the flash output to about 50% because otherwise the white spots on its abdomen would have been blown out. Let's zoom in now a little bit. Try to get a bit closer, around 1.61. And I think we can increase the flash output now. So moving around now. That is gorgeous. You can see all the beautiful eyes. I'm really happy with this one. It has decided to move on to the other side of the leaf, and I don't want to bother it anymore. I have found a gorgeous little jumping spider again. Now it's knocking around on my hand. I had already captured it on a blade of grass, and now it's on my jumper. It's time for us to place it back onto this sapling where I originally found her. Come on, buddy, go back. Come on. That's your home. There you go. Just making sure that the drag line is not attached to me anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna head back home now. Hopefully you enjoyed this little macro photography session exploring the local wetlands. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You might also want to check out these videos next. Thanks again, and catch you all very soon in the next one.